In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of NVIDIA code 43, which shows that Windows has stopped this device and showing this error. So to fix the problem, you just need to go to this NVIDIA app. So if you don't have the NVIDIA app installed, just go to any browser and search for NVIDIA app and go to this link nvidia.com and download this NVIDIA app. After downloading it, you just need to click install to install that, which is pretty easy. After installing the NVIDIA app, you can have a desktop shortcut or you can search for the NVIDIA app. So just open the NVIDIA app, and after opening the NVIDIA app, you just need to go to this driver option in the left side. Then you just need to choose if you want to download the studio driver, if you using your PC for general use, or if you want to use your PC for gaming that provides best gaming experience. So you can choose that. After choosing the game ready driver, you can see there's the latest version of the driver for your NVIDIA graphics card. You just need to click on download and you just need to download this. And after downloading it, you just need to have to install this. So if you're gonna have an install option here, so you just need to click install and it will automatically install on your PC. And after that, you just need to restart your PC and this will fix the problem of your code 43. So hope this will help you. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.